So starting the test drive in this Equinox LT here, I like the all-wheel drive because I like the more traditional shifts from the 8-speed, but you do get a bit of a lag there as you're shifting. It's not a snappy transmission by any means, but again, I like it paired with this 1.5 turbo. Prefer a 2-liter, but you know, it is what it is. Now, in terms of the overall drivability, I do find that the CVT paired Equinox drives a bit easier, but again, I'd rather have the drivability of the 8-speed. It's just smoother to shift. It's more engaging, and it just feels more normal, if that makes sense. I need to pump the seat down. I'm a little in the ceiling. I need y'all to see. All right, let's give it some throttle here. So certainly wasn't flooring it, but it got up to speed adequately as I'd expect from this engine. I've driven it several times. Now we do have the adaptive cruise on here. And the ride is pretty solid. I like how easy the vehicle takes the road. It's just very smooth. It's not necessarily floating down the road, but the ride is very good, very good. Now, I've been in 2-wheel drive mode this entire time, so I'm gonna put it into the all-wheel drive mode. Then when I stop, I'll kind of test that out. Now I want to give a big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Equinox today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now it definitely feels more linear coming out of a stop, having the all-wheel drive system as opposed to the front-wheel drive. So less wheel spin, especially coming from a stop, but you pretty much get the same power output. It just feels a bit quicker with all 4 wheels getting power there, because you're not getting the traditional wheel spin from having a front-wheel drive with all that power there, specifically from a turbocharger. But I mean, I really like how this is spec'd out. I like the all-wheel drive on the LT to get you under that $33,000 price point. I prefer to have a power liftgate. That's the only thing I'm really missing here. The heated seats are here. Don't need the dual zone climate controls. You still get your wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, the Google Assistant system, the adaptive cruise. I really wish GM would just join everybody else though in making the lane centering standard, kind of like how Ford has done, even if you're not going to include the full-on hands-free driving. That's fine, but at least let us get some lane keep assistant of some sort. Because just having the lane keeping system that kind of pings you, it's just dated to me. I had that on my 2016 Malibu Premier, and it was great on that car, but the fact that a Toyota Corolla base model will have more safety features on it than a mid-trim Equinox, it just doesn't make sense to me. But other than that, love how they redid the exterior styling. I like how they did the interior as well. It wasn't really a lot that was done new, but the new screen, how it goes side to side, or pillar to the infotainment system. I like that. Like the new AC controls. I like having the drive mode button here. And on this particular vehicle, I really like the column shifter. It makes a lot of sense for me. Now on the Tahoe, Suburbans, Traverses, I feel like we could have gotten a better shifter, but right here, it's simple like everything else here. It kind of reminds me of a Tesla almost. But I mean, the standard features that are included are really good. I would just add one or two things, maybe even get up to 34,000 and be completely happy with this vehicle. But all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Chevy Equinox LT with all-wheel drive.